Here I have ACER Liquid Z6E, and let me show you how to insert here the microSD and micro SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's press power key on your device right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you have to remove the back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity at the down right edge of the screen. Let's just use your nail finger and let's open this back cover step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. And now you have access to your battery. You have to remove your battery if you would like to have access to the slots. So let's use your nail finger to remove the battery. Now you can insert here 2 micro SIM cards and 1 micro SD. So let's start by inputting the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that slot and let's press it to the end. Alright, the micro SD is inserted. Now let's enter the micro SIM. Here I have micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and also let's push it to the end. Let me leave one slot empty. You don't have to insert your card if you don't want to. And then let's put back the battery. Let's insert the back cover. Let's close the back cover. Now let me press power key to switch on the device. The ACER Liquid Z6E is switching on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And let me make sure that both cards works properly. Alright, let's unlock the screen right here. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Sorry, let me quit the Google Drive. Let's find and select settings as I said before. Then you have to let me tap no to the following information. Let's choose SIM cards under wireless and networks. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card. You can also go back and right here let's find and select the storage and USB. It's located under device tab, and as you can see, the device is reading our external storage, so it means that both cards works properly on that device. Let's go back and now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.